Welcome back, folks. It's Jab Anima back again. There's many add-ons in Blender that are going to help you, and I want to share with you which ones are the most invaluable ones. So let's get to Blender right now. Let's start with Power Save. It's free and it's going to save you when your Blender crashes. It allows you to auto save, and once you begin working with larger projects, you want to create checkpoints so that if anything goes wrong, you can always retrace your steps. Second, this add-on is $7. It saves me a lot more than $7 though. It's called Auto Highlight in Outliner. Once your outliner is stacked with items, you don't want to spend 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes looking for something. So once you click on an item, it automatically highlights it for you. Amazing. Last is Machine Tools. I've talked about this one before. These pie menus are such a time saver. I can't recommend them enough. Not only the pie menus, but this add-on has a ton of other perks. We could spend another 30 minutes talking about all the things that it helps you do, from cleaning up vertexes, edges, and the knife tool, and so much more. And that's it for today, guys. Catch me out on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. See you there.